In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount to a QuickBooks invoice, whether you're offering a special deal to a loyal customer or simply need to adjust an invoice for promotional reasons. QuickBooks makes it easy to apply discounts directly to your billing documents. This tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can apply these adjustments with confidence and precision. First things first, let's navigate to QuickBooks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and accessing the QuickBooks site. It's important to go directly to their official site to ensure security and get the most updated version of the interface. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll notice a sign-in option in the top right corner of the page. Click on this to begin the sign-in process. This is where you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. If you're a new user, you might want to take a moment to sign up and set up your account. After entering your credentials, QuickBooks may ask you to verify your identity. This extra step is a security measure to protect your information. You'll be presented with a few options for verification, such as receiving a code via email or SMS. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once you're signed in and your identity is verified, it's time to get down to business. Look for the invoice section by navigating to the New button. This option is generally located in the dashboard or within the Sales tab, depending on your QuickBooks layout. Clicking on New will expand a menu where you'll see various options for creating new entries, including invoices. After selecting Invoice, you'll be directed to a new page where you can begin customizing your invoice. The first step in this process is to add your customer. If you've previously invoiced this customer, their information should be saved in QuickBooks. If not, you can add a new customer by entering their details such as name, contact information, and billing address. Next, you'll add the product or service you're invoicing for. QuickBooks allows you to select from items you've previously added, or create a new item on the spot. Fill in the necessary details such as the product name, description, and price. Now comes the crucial part, adding your discount. On the invoice creation page, there should be an option to add a discount either as a percentage of the total amount or as a fixed value. Choose the method that fits your needs and enter the discount amount. This will automatically adjust the total invoice amount to reflect the discount applied. Before finalizing the invoice, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Check the customer information, the items or services listed, and ensure the discount has been accurately applied. Adjustments can be made if necessary to correct any details. Once everything looks good, it's time to save and send the invoice. There should be a Save and Send button, typically located at the bottom or top of the page. By clicking this, QuickBooks will prompt you to enter the recipient's email address if it's not already saved. You'll also have the option to include a personalized message along with the invoice. Clicking Save and Send will dispatch the invoice to your client, complete with the applied discount. QuickBooks also saves a copy of the invoice in your account, allowing you to easily track payments and follow up if needed. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Always double check your invoices for accuracy before sending them. Mistakes can cause confusion and potentially delay payments. Also, consider setting up a standardized process for applying discounts to maintain consistency across your billing. That's all for today's tutorial on how to add a discount to a QuickBooks invoice. With these step-by-step instructions, you're well equipped to provide your clients with accurate and professional invoices, reflecting any discounts you wish to offer. Happy invoicing!